Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
Hyderabad, stating that the Telangana government respects Ganga Jamuna Tahezib by respecting all the communities residing in Telangana, especially in Hyderabad, CM K Chandrasekhar Rao announced restoration of Kannada Sahitya Vedika in Hyderabad. The CM sanctioned 5 rupees for renovation and restoration of Sahitya Vedika in Kachiguda. The decision assumes significance at a time the BRS going national and even planning to contest in various states elections, especially neighbouring Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh states. KCR said that the state government respects the literary and cultural traditions of people of all other states and regions who settled in Hyderabad for decades. CMO said the CM took this decision on the request of Ambarpet MLA Karu Venkatesh and Karnataka residents living in Hyderabad as well as across the state. CM KCR sanctioned 5 crore rupees for the renovation of Karnataka Sahitya Mandira in Kachiguda in Hyderabad. KCR suggested that Venkatesh develop infrastructure and design the auditorium at Shatya Mandira so that it can be used for community needs along with literary and cultural programs. The MLA met CM KCR in Pragati Bhavan and thanked the CM for sanctioning 5 crore rupees on his request. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.